this video, I'm going to show you how to make an all-natural peppermint foaming carpet cleaner. Now, what we want to do here is, I've got an 8-ounce bottle, and I've done the math. So, a quarter cup of Castile soap. You want to mix this 3 to 1, so it's 3 parts water, 1 part Castile soap. So we're going to use a quarter cup of Castile soap. And then we'll put in our essential oils, and we're going to use peppermint to make it smell good. But this is something that you can spray on your carpets anytime you have one of those occasional spills or spots that show up. If you're like me, I have cats, and occasionally the cats have a hairball, and you need to clean up a spot on the carpet for that. So this is really great for that. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. So first thing we're going to do, quarter cup of Castile soap. And the Castile soap is kind of thick, so it's taking it a minute to go through this small funnel. So while that's running down, this is our peppermint essential oil. This is what I like to use. It smells really good. It leaves a good scent in your carpet when you clean it. We sell this in our shop, and we're going to use 10 drops of this. So we're going to put it in right after the Castile oil finishes, or the Castile soap finishes going in. So there it goes. Ten drops of peppermint, and then we're going to fill the bottle the rest of the way up with water. And that will be our 3 parts of water to 1 part Castile soap. I want to leave a little head space so we can shake it up real good. And then what I use is one of these just spray tops. It works really well. Because you can set it to spray, and then you can just spray it directly on the stain where you have it. So now that we've got this all mixed up, how about we go see if it works? Okay, as you can see here, I've got a little bit of a stain where the cat yacked up a hairball. So we're going to use this foaming carpet cleaner, and we're going to clean the carpet here, and we're going to see how well it removes the stain. And I'm going to use my microfiber cloth to really get it in there. And there we are. The stain's completely gone. So there you go. You can see the stain's completely gone. So it also has a really fresh peppermint scent to it. So that smells really good. But in this instance, it cleaned the stain. The stain's completely gone. I went back and double checked it just to make sure. Got a little bitty hand towel and dried the carpet completely just to be sure that something wouldn't show up after it dried. So now it's completely dry. You can see the stain's gone. Alright, so I would say this peppermint foaming carpet cleaner really does the job on stains. Make some of it up, try it out, let me know how it works for you. Be sure and like our videos on YouTube and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.